Hi all, it's Dave, and we are here today to do Nate's Art Lab challenge for the month of May. His challenge for us is to use the Shelee Art Bloom recipe in any style that we want to using that recipe, and that the focus was the cells, and most of all, he wanted it to scream spring. So I have put together colors that should do nicely with that. I'm going to be doing a geometric swipe as best as I can, and because I'm a little out of practice with my swipes and my scoop and drags, but let's see what comes up. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to get started. My colors for today, this is golden green gold. This is golden Quinacridone magenta, not magenta, Quinacridone violet. This is Liquitex light pink. This is a combination of Comet and Simplicity. This is golden teal. And this is golden Azo Gold. So I've got some black here that I'm going to use for a little bit, not a whole lot of hide and reveal. I'm going to be using both my black and my white cell activator, and I'm going to try a little bit of Dioxazine purple with the black. See how that works, see if I can get the effect I'm looking for. So that's what my colors are. You got my game plan. As always, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and strike that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, so that you know what's coming up. These days, my content's going to slow down slightly because I am headed north at the end of this week to go back up to Washington and points north for the summer. So things are going to get a little bit different because I'm not going to have the painting supplies to be able to do what I'm doing now. So I thought I'd get this in, get it done before we take off. So let's get started. Okay, let's talk about this just a second. Some of my paint started breaking up. That's okay. I haven't decided what I feel about this piece yet. I added some lines in there because I had a lot of black that I wanted to break up a bit. So that's what that was all about. I do like the splatters on this side. That worked really very nicely. Cell formation with this, I've seen better and I've done better. Do I like the flow and the contrast here? Yeah, I do. Black and the Azo Gold is always a great combination, and with the addition of the teal, it kind of gave it that nice patina. Not all of my colors showed up, so I am going to call this one till I see it dried. This has been Nate's Art Lab for the month of May. Every month, Nate gives us a challenge, and the challenge generally is something that's totally outside of our wheelhouse or something that we're not used to doing. And I find that these challenges actually help me grow. If you're at all interested, check out the link in my description, and it'll take you to where you can find some more information. So stick around for the next person in the collaboration, and let's see what they come up with. This is it for me. Bye for now.